Hi, just checking in. This is Jennifer Green, your instructor for your class on academic excellence, and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm really excited. We're halfway done with this class, and it's going by so fast, as I'm sure you already realize. Just wanted to take a moment, say hello, and tell you that I love hearing from each of you every week. Your weekly instructor contact is really important, and that's a big chunk of the grade in this class. This is a credit, no credit, pass or fail class, and it's really important that I hear from you each week, whether it's from an email or a text message or a phone message, but just a quick reach out to tell me that you're doing okay, show me where you're at in your other core class. But I'm very glad to see that most of you are keeping up with this. It's really important that you do that, okay? The other thing I wanted to remind you of is your screenshots of your grades. I know there was some confusion at the beginning of the term. Your other instructor may or may not have updated grades, and so some of you were not sure whether you needed to send me a screenshot of something that may not have been graded. But no matter what, you always send me a screenshot of the current grade in your core class. And it's really important that you stay current on this. I cannot accept late screenshots from, week 2 or week 3, because those are not relevant anymore. Those are weeks ago. And sometimes students will try to send, multiple screenshots of the same screenshot and then plug them in for weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's not going to work. You've got to stay relevant on these, or I won't be able to count them as credit. Okay, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, but other than that, I'm so happy to work with you, and this class is going to be done in a minute, so make sure and stay on top, and I look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. God bless.